Hello friends, in this video, I will share with you how to edit a color photo, color sync. Let it be more beautiful. In this photo I took in Korea. These pink bushes are very beautiful. However, when the time came, it was uneven in color. Because it's a bit late in the season. This tree changes leaves every year. However, the time when the leaves will be changed, I do not know in advance. So when I arrived it was almost over. However, I can still process it to make it more beautiful. Or I change it from blue to pink. First I will create a new layer. This photo is because this is a park, they planted a lot of trees. These houses are not beautiful, so I will crop this picture first. Not see the above part. Crop just come here.
Then in this part, I will press M, I scan this selection and I pull up a little bit.
Ctrl T. And I pull up. Then I remove that scene outside. You will see that this picture is much more vast. Before, after. And when I see the house like the first, I will see that the picture is a bit small. The second thing is that I find this picture a bit faded. Because it's a bit overcast at the moment. So it's not very clear. So first, for me to edit this picture, I will choose to add vibrance. Let me make this photo more vibrant. That's what I think is pink, it's more pink, it's more vibrant. Okay, that's it for now. And next I will turn these colors that are out of sync to pink. Then I will merge all these layers together, I will choose ACR. Open Camera Raw. I will go to the color mixer section for me to adjust. Here I see the yellow channel, I will pull it over. Yellow it turns orange. Then the orange I will change to pink. And this pink I will transfer more. Then you see with this step. Before, after. Then I was able to handle that this chiffon is not the right color with the dress. Then it turns pink too. And the scene I see now is more pink. Do you see? It is more relevant to the context. Then I choose OK. You see before, after. The picture itself is more colorful and pink. Next, I'm going to work on this photo so that I can darken it a little bit. By the way, I add black. Because this photo is a bit faded and dark, I added black. Once is not enough, I add one more. Then you see that after I added black. Before, after, I find the picture much clearer. Before, after. You can also continue to make your image more colorful by choosing vibrance. You see, the pink color is much brighter. Next I will add sunlight, the flare to make his photo stand out more. I can also turn the light down a little bit. I subtract 0.3 stops from my photo. Here you see before, after. Well, the groom's skin, I doesn't want to be too dark, so I will sweep away the groom's skin. Then I'll add flare, and merge the layer. I will add flare. Here I have a lot of bright flares to choose from and I can choose this bright flare. Stretch out. At this point, I wants to have it covered in a halo of light. Enter. Select OK. On the top layer I will erase this border. By doing this I will sweep in these border areas. And I also scan the faces of the bride and groom. In order for the photo to have more sunset quality, I can choose to add sunset. This is a feature that I often uses. When adding the sunset to me, I will see that my photo is more golden. Before, after. In this photo, I adjusted it like that and it's okay. It's very beautiful. You see before, the photo is faded, the color of this chiffon is out of sync. I adjusted it to sync, it's very nice. And now if I want to tweak it even more, then I can darken the surrounding to make the subject stand out more, by being dodge and burn. I will darken the areas that I don't want it to be bright. To make the subject stand out more. Please note that I will not scan the whole thing, but I will only type on some areas. There is a garbage here, I will zone it, I click erase. You see before, after, the picture is more prominent. You can still continue to turn this yellow into pink. By doing so, I create a new layer and I choose Camera Raw. Do it like this way. I go to this color channel, I change this yellow to pink. Then it's more pink. This depends on your preferences. Usually I adjust to this level. Before, after, you see. If I want my picture to be clearer, I can add black to my picture. Add black. Then go through the steps from the FineArt Secret tool. This photo is faded, recolored. The color is not synchronized, then I edited a very shimmering photo. The pink grass is very beautiful.